Sound test. This is a sound test for Zoom H1. I just did a setup which looks like this. Finally, I know it looks nice. I know it looks fine. And it's on using a compact camera. I don't talk about the resolution because it's just me facing the camera and talking to the camera and nothing else. What we want to hear is the clear audio. Currently I'm sitting in this room, there's a fan right on top of me, and if I'm gonna switch the audio off, you're gonna hear this, and this is me with my voice competing with the fan. But if I'm gonna switch the audio on again, I'm gonna get this, my voice as clear, as pristine as it should be, without any disturbance, any external disturbance, sound which could intrude into the words that I'm trying to say or convey through this video. This is how you guys can check out this particular item that I just bought off Amazon. It's Zoom H1 handy recorder. I think this has been out for ages. It's just that, we don't care. So that's all, guys.